Welcome back to SmartLink Basics, your go-to source for mastering Excel functions and boosting your productivity.
In today's tutorial, we're going to explore the min function in Excel. This function is a simple yet powerful tool that helps you find the smallest minimum value in a range of numbers. The min function is particularly useful when you need to quickly identify the lowest value in a dataset, such as finding the smallest sales figure, the lowest temperature, or the shortest time in a list. Let's dive in. Let's start with the syntax of the min function. Here's what each part means. Number 1, this is the first number or range of numbers in which you want to find the minimum value. It can be a reference to a single cell, a range of cells, or even direct numbers. Number 2, optional, additional numbers or ranges of numbers to include in the comparison. You can add multiple ranges or individual numbers separated by commas. Now let's look at our example. Suppose you have a list of sales figures in column A, and you want to find the smallest sales figure. In cells A1 to A5, you have sales figures like 500, 750, 300, 900, and 650. In cell B1, we'll enter our min formula. Start by typing equals min. Next, we need to specify the range of numbers we want to evaluate. Since the sales figures are in cells A1 to A5, we simply type A1 to A5. Close the parentheses by typing and press Enter. Excel will return 300, which is the smallest sales figure in the range. The complete formula in cell B1 is displayed on the screen. And there you have it. We've successfully used the min function to find the smallest value in a list of sales figures. Let's consider a different scenario where you're comparing temperatures over several days, and you want to find the lowest temperature recorded. In cells C1 to C7, you have temperatures like 72, 68, 75, 70, 66, 74, and 69. In cell D1, enter the formula equals C1, C7, and press Enter. Excel will return 66, which is the lowest temperature recorded over the period. The min function is incredibly versatile and can be used in various scenarios. Here are some practical applications. Sales analysis. Quickly identify the lowest sales figures to focus on areas needing improvement. Performance tracking. Use min to find the shortest time, lowest score, or smallest value in performance data. Budgeting. Determine the minimum expense in a list to better manage your finances. That's it for today's tutorial on the min function in Excel.
We hope this tutorial helps you master Excel. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel, SmartLink Basics, for more tutorials and tips.